Okay, we're going to show you how to replace the starter on the Mustang BILT 50-inch deck lawnmower. Okay, the wrenches you're going to need is a 10mm socket and a 12. Okay, let's take this thing off. Okay, first you're going to need your 10mm wrench, and you're going to take off this wire. Okay, this wire right here, it connects to your starting solenoid. Now you need your 12mm socket. And now since we got this one loose, we'll do the next one. This one right here. There's only two holding it on, so it's going to be pretty simple. Once they're hand loose, you probably can just go and take them out. And you can push up on it to release some weight off of the nut, so you can take it out of the bolt. So take it out, and it comes right out. Now, obviously, we don't need this piece of junk. Now let's put on this new one. It's going to simply, that wire is going to be aiming, like the old one was aiming, towards the solenoid, and then this. And once you get it in there, start a nut. And the one with this weird piece goes on the left. Work it around until it bites. Get some threads on there and then start the next one. This one right here. But no, nothing there. May need a flashlight to see the hole. And once you get them pretty much where you can't turn it by hand, you can start using the wrench. Okay. And you can just push up on the starter to release some pressure on the nut so you make it easier to turn by hand. Thank you, Jesus. Put this on tighten. And tighten this thing up. Thank you. I can't move it up. Now you don't have to kill them. Once they get pretty tight, that's about it. So once the nut's out, you can start feeling some pressure on it. Just give like a good turn on it. You just don't want it loosening up while you're driving, but you also don't want to tighten it so much you might like break something. Just pretty nice and tight. Okay, now we're gonna need our 10mm wrench, and we're gonna simply take this off. And while y'all are waiting, how about you go check out our channel, Michelle Leitner channel. And we're gonna put this wire on right here onto it. You're just gonna take off that one nut, no washers or anything like that, and then put this back on. And we're gonna see if this thing cranks. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, well, you never know what you're gonna get from China. This probably came from China. Okay, then I'm going to put on my wrench. You want to tighten this where it doesn't loosen up and you want a good connection. And sometimes if this is very rusty, if it's like a new connection, you can put a new connection on or sand it down to get a good connection. Because you don't want this getting a bad connection. And it's something loose wires sticking out. Because my brother put new wires on to get rid of all of that stuff. He does mechanics. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if this thing cranks up. Okay, you might be saying, mine doesn't have this. Well, if you're having problems with your touch panel like we had, you can buy this on Amazon, and it's got turn on, crank up, and this is fuel, and then your PTO.
Today we're introducing you to Real Life Network, where there's clean Christian movies you and your family can watch.